I'm Kelly from Just a Taste, and when it comes to side dishes, I'm picking pasta salad 10 out of 10 times. What I love about my Greek pasta salad with red wine vinaigrette is it can be served at any temperature, room temp, warm, cold, which makes it kind of the ideal side salad for picnics, barbecues, or any night of the year because it actually tastes better on days 2 or 3 after you've tossed it into the fridge and let all of those flavors marinate together. So we're starting off with my curly cavatappi pasta, and then I have a rainbow of veggies which I've chopped. We've got green pepper, black olives, cucumbers, red onion, cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese. We're gonna toss all of this together, but first off, we're gonna start with our dressing. So to the vinegar, I'm gonna add our minced garlic, some fresh lemon juice, a little bit of salt and pepper, some dried oregano, a little bit of sugar. So now that we have those ingredients, we're gonna whisk in some extra virgin olive oil, and you wanna do this slowly so that the dressing emulsifies. Today I'm using a cavatappi noodle. This is my absolute favorite noodle for all uses. It's kind of a little corkscrew shape. Now I'm gonna add our veggies, starting with our cucumbers, some halved cherry tomatoes, diced green pepper, and then I've got some thinly sliced red onion, and then some black olives. So in goes our prepared dressing. Toss this all together. This is looking good. Everything's got a nice coating of our vinaigrette. And now for the creamiest part, and my favorite part, the feta cheese. So I've just got some crumbled feta here, about a cup, but you can add more or less depending on your preferences. I love the heavy amount of cheese. And then we'll give this another toss. You could absolutely enjoy the pasta salad right now, but I find that it actually tastes best if you pop it into the fridge for an hour just so all of those flavors get a chance to marinate together, and then you can transfer it to a serving bowl and dig in. Now that the pasta salad's been marinating for a few hours, I'm gonna give it one more toss, and you can just smell all of that fresh oregano, and then we're gonna get this into our serving dish. And then a little bit more of our feta cheese on top. And that's all it takes to make my absolute favorite Greek pasta salad with red wine vinaigrette. I guarantee one taste of this and you will never be buying store-bought pasta salad again. For the full recipe, check out justataste.com.